Dude, yeah, that was the same for me. I was like, I'm getting a fucking tea. Mm-hmm. Dude, yeah. I was like, I was like, no more, no more. Please stop. That was the first time I was like, okay, I don't want any more coffee. Yeah, yeah, dude, the coffee was really fucking good. Uh-huh. Tism. Welcome back, everybody. Tism. What up, y'all? Bitcoin's fucking dumping. Bitcoin's fucking done. Tism. Just fucking kidding. Bitcoin's probably gonna make new highs now. Let's see if it does. Let's see, actually, yeah. Welcome back, everybody. Sorry, we'll start off in the proper way. Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm joined by none other than Mr. Haste. Oh, yeah. We are live. we are indeed live. We out here. Thank you, everybody, for tuning back into this nice little stream. Our little weekend streams. We like to review some crypto. We don't look at NQ or anything like that. We might throw some knowledge at you, but we just mainly go through our watch list, talk about shit. Got some news for y'all. Do we want them to announce them today, or do we want to do them on like a Monday, Tuesday stream? Yeah. Yep. I agree with that. All right. So stay tuned for some exciting stuff coming here in a little bit. By the end of next week, you shall be in the know, everybody. But yeah, let's take a look at some cryptos. Crypto. Let's see what we got. I mean, yesterday we had some nasty fucking candles. Today, same thing. Let's see. It's again. I think last time I was looking at Bitcoin, it was kind of just consolidating up here. No necessarily. Oh, Bitcoin Insight Day. No apparent pullback signs on Bitcoin. Just seems like it's consolidating, which weekend, low volume. Yeah, she's tired of running. Keep going. And yeah. I think new weekly open is going to present great buying opportunity, in my opinion. But ETH, right? I just wanted to point that out that, we bounced off of this trend line, which actually I need to fucking update that. I need to post this shit because I think you and I both called this shit to a fucking T on this, which is nuts. Blessed to be able to see this shit, and it's yeah, blessed for a lot of shit for sure. It's insanity. Well, ETH brownie formation we might want to see move up from here. Oh yeah, yep. June 29th. Post it. That shit. Oh, look at this. All right, let's Ethereum can either reject over here for a pullback. I think obviously healthy pullbacks are good in the markets, but at the same time, if we break that trend line, I think we're gonna see a solid run to the upside. Our animals still playing out that we outlined way back fucking when. Right, we kind of drew this out, and we had this nice little line on it. This one right there. Nope, not this one. Oh my god, it's too many lines. Right there. Right? Dude, I think we bottom cold fucking ETH. Mm-hmm. Fucking wild. Yeah. Yeah, just like can go through the whole list. One of the biggest ones that I was looking at earlier today, and I posted inside our community, was anime. We were looking over here. I mean, obviously, we're still playing this setup right here on anime, right? Got a nice setup right there. But this morning, or no, this was like 4 hours ago, I was sitting in a coffee shop waiting, and we had this range over here, right? So we took the range high and range low, or range high, range low, right? We saw that price was coming into it, into here, into OTE. We then zoomed in our hourly. We had this range now, right there. Right, this was our range that we were playing right here on this hourly. So sweep of some liquidities, right? A sweep of liquidity, retrace into a bigger range. Inside that bigger range, we had a smaller range on the hourly. We saw displacement right there. We had fair value gap, tapped into that fair value gap. And now we are cooking it up on anime. I don't know if you saw it or if you took it, but there's that for everybody now. And we called that out inside Paper Traders. Fucking insanity. Beautiful last chart. Nice continuation to the upside off of this one. I'm looking for... Where is she? Horka. Okay, let me take a gander here. Wow. Yeah, she's fucking pumping out here. Oh, yeah.
By alphabetically.
Oh, alphabetically, yeah.
And then if people want a certain name, they can just scan through.
Oh, yes, for sure. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, let us know in the chat below or in the chat wherever you're fucking looking at it. Make sure you guys, if you are new here, give it a like, give it a share, give it a retweet. We always appreciate that. Right, that's how we spread the word. That's how we spread the message. As always, make sure you guys are, we're out here. Obviously, it's not about the cloud or anything. We just want to provide you guys with solid shit. I feel like this whole past month and this whole past week, I feel like there's been a lot of moments that has been appropriate. Actually, yeah, let me do this right there. Anime. Sorry, I'm like making a fucking post about anime right now.
You're good.
I just want to put people's... It's like just a nice, small little play. Boink. Pull this up. This right here, symbol. Oh yeah, this is alphabetical, right? Yeah, it goes from numbers to that to that. I swear I'm putting space between the finger emoji. No.
Thank God.
All right, yeah, let's take a gander. Let's start from the top. We're going to start looking at daily candles. Right, we're going to start off by looking at daily. So a lot of these, probably, if we're looking for weekly, we might want to take into consideration the weekly range. This 1,000 Pepe. You said, wait, what, was this the original Pepe you said? Or is this the like the knockoff version of Pepe?
I was talking not poo.
Oh, not poo. But this is looking pretty decent for a setup like this. We might have to welcome this new animal to the zoo. This right there. Pepe 2618, just about there. I think that could be pretty decent. I wish you could make folders on fucking TradingView.
I mean, you can make the sections.
You can
Right
make the
click
section.
and do add section.
Oh, what the freak? Okay.
And it keeps them in it.
So if I put that, oh, so now all of these are under that section. Okay.
Yeah. So it is a folder. So like, you could just name that like list and then do another one. If you put it,
So how do I like make sure that
Like-
not all of it goes into it?
you could do it at the bottom of the list, maybe. And then you can click and drag it out of that section.
Oh yeah. Okay. Beautiful. Cool. So let's add this to the zoo collection.
Wish you could do folders. Oh, you can.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, guy. Add to. Can I move this symbol into the section? Move to.
Banger song.
How do I put this into my section? Move to.
You have to drag it into the section.
Oh God. It's gonna be my lord.
Process.
Mm-hmm.
You could just. Yeah, I don't know.
Everybody's watching my autistic ass struggle with this shit.
LOL.
Trying to stay organized. That was me with those fucking emails this week, dude.
Yep.
There we go. Now we're cranking. Oh, like, okay, it divides it into, okay, that makes, okay. Okay. Whatever. Okay,
Bonk
but
is still going.
Pepe. Yep, Bonk is fucking cranking. Pepe, I think this one could be good for a continuation to the upside on this, especially if we come into this OTE right there. Doesn't have to be this whole weekly range, right? But I feel like this would give you the most ideal setup if it comes down into like 786, tap that 200 and go from there. I feel like that would be. We got the Capo live stream. What's the Capo live stream? Do elaborate on that. That might be out of terms of that. Cock Bonk is fucking cooking it up. We outlined Bonk at the fucking bottom, dude. That's insane. That's my entry. My original entry on Bonk. 0.1468. 0.1468. We entered Bonk like around this area. That's fucking wild. Oh my god. god. Bonk. Yeah, Bonk is looking for a continuation up. I had the same thing where it retraced into the OTE of this range that was created, right? So this range right here. It's kind of the setup in these continuation environments. That's the setup you want to be looking for. Retrace into OTE of either previous day or previous like up leg and see where that wants to come down, bounce. Obviously, if we displace through that OTE, then we see a continuation to the downside or a reversal now. But how this went, retrace into that 618, right? That's looking on the lower time frame. Same thing with that we looked at with anime. Came down into that and then continued up out of that 0618. I think I posted this to Bonk. Bangersonly.com.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bonk is looking fucking solid. Let's see if we got anything that still hasn't popped off yet.
That one up. I like that. The Floki up 2. Or that down 1. Sorry.
Okay,
The
yeah.
daily on this looks really nice. If you draw that trend line from those top 2 wicks to the left.
Of this.
Yep. Draw it all the way. Oh, no. Those top 2. The first one to the second and extend it. And where did we test?
Oh, shit. Yeah. That is looking
This one
good.
looks good.
Yep. I like that.
Yesterday closed back into the previous candle. So
Mm-hmm.
stop below that low and send it.
Yep.
I just entered it actually. Back to the yearly open would be sweet.
Floki.
The hourly looks good too.
I'm gonna put your name on them. Floki, yeah, stop below previous day low.
Yep. And if you flip to the 4-hour and like turn on our CISD indicator,
Mm-hmm.
we like retested the
Oh yeah,
bearish one.
Mm-hmm. I like that. Yeah, now it needs to break that, and then retested this order block right there too.
Yep. And it swept a blunt.
Yep, I like that. Back to yearly open. Where's our yearly open? Oh yeah, send it. Actually,
Just seems like magnet.
We'll add this one to our zoo collection. Right there. This right here. This right there. Yeah, 1886. That's about right.
Yep.
There you go.
Ooh, it's got an animal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, I like that one a lot.
Okie dokie. Let's trade some
Floki.
Floki. Jinx.
It's another dog coin.
Oh heck yeah.
12-hour FEG held 2 really nice too. If you look at 12-hour, I've been really liking the 12-hour again.
Yeah, 12 hours nice. I like it. Where is that? 176.
I like this. Looks really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one would be solid for continuation Floki. There's that one. Rats. This one looks like it wants to give us a rising 3 out of this right here.
Yep, I like that.
I'm about to spam the fuck out of crypto chat.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, if you're not in the community, we're constantly just fucking spamming crypto chat. Recently, it's been non-stop. We do this to ourselves. We're like, wow, we have so many charts to update, and then we post so many charts. 1 inch is
Well, there's so
fucking...
many opportunities right now, and I don't know what people want to play.
See, this is Floki's fucking setup. Same shit right there. There's your animal on it too. So do you have some fucking confirmation as well on this one? There you go.
A banger.
Yeah, this one looks fucking 1 inch can still fucking continue
Grow an inch.
ripping. Yeah, grow a few other inches.
Show you 1 inch.
AVE retest previous day low sweep right there. Retest of
Pressed into
this
that yearly open.
trend line. Yeah, once that breaks, holy yeah, look how many times you like try to reject
Rocket.
it. You knock on a door so many times before it opens. I feel like 3 times been the charm recently on some of these.
That one's gonna flare up his autism. I have to fucking skip it.
ACH. This one's decent. Held that daily fair value gap. Almost retested this. So on this one, they might want to sell it down a little bit one more time. Take this previous day low. And then tomorrow give us a rising 3 on ACH. CTU. ADA is fucking going. Ergo. I mean, we're still in this one. Believe.
200.
Yeah, it's on that 200 riding it. I think right now. Am I in Ergo? Ergo, Schmergo. No, oh yeah, I sold it. But this would be a good re-entry point, I feel like. If you're looking for a continuation up, it's at the 200. It's holding this. If we take the whole range of this to that big wick right there, all right? If we go from here to there, that 705 retest, order block on the at 4 hour. Also, this one looks pretty good. Yeah, 12 hour. Blunt top on the 4, blunt top hourly. Maybe one more sweep a little bit into these lows and then go on Ergo. No position. Arrow.
I kind of like this one. On the daily, got a daily CISD.
Yep.
Dipped
Tap
into
this fair value gap.
Yep. Body held above.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one looks good. Arrow. 15. Who's Capo? What am I missing here?
Everyone inverse trades him.
Oh, okay.
He's historically wrong.
Let's check on our friends. See if we have anything. Oh, wait, wrong one. Wait. I think he's finally gone. Unless... Yeah.
When?
Yeah.
I blocked you.
Yeah, I don't see him anywhere. That's crazy. Bro said...
Job is done.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fucking crazy. Well, that's another soldier.
Another psyop rinsed.
Yep. Another Severance.
They're like, oh, that one's rinsed out. On to the next.
EGI. Get our little fucking outline. Retested the 200. This one looks like it wants to give a little bit of something. Just needs to break this trend line, I feel like. Oh, right on it. Actually, yeah, that rejection right off of that trend line on AGI. Let's see. For anybody that's new, that's tuning in, we're joking about Bitcoin fucking dumping. Unless they announce some fucking news.
It actually
AGLD.
comes and we weren't kidding.
So AGLD, this one, there we go. That we're getting that Rising 3 set up on it. AGLD. Oh, what wicks would you use? Would you just use these ones? Or would you want like this?
I'd go. I mean, I just wouldn't because it's not clean. But
Yeah. This
I
one
only
doesn't
draw
look
trend
bad.
lines if it's retardedly like obvious.
Yeah.
I really like chill guy on the daily. You'll get there eventually. I won't
Yeah.
skip ahead. But yeah, this looks good. This is a
AGTA 6. AIOZ. Oh my god, we trade this fucking range.
Someday it'll break out.
Yeah. AXB, Acto, ECL, Aleo, Algo, Alice, Alpha. We're still in Alpha, by the way. Alt, gave it its all, and then nothing. Same thing that FET did. So just kept on rejecting this trend line right there. Just want to bring their attention to this real fast. FET. What is this? ZIL. Oh no. Yeah, FET did the same thing. This continued trend line rejection to the top. So once we break that top, I feel like then that's gonna send it. But for the time being, that's the top. Those are the tops that's gonna continue to occur until we break above a certain high and hold above it. Anime, there we go. Yeah, she's freaking cooking it up. Anime is a fave for me. This one's freaking cooking.
Nice. I will say right off the bat, like looking through these, across the board kind of looks like one more down day into that new week open, and then maybe a sweep of that low.
Yeah,
like today's candle closes down, and then new daily open sweeps low, and we can reverse.
Yeah, almost. I would want a close above that previous weekly high, or at least above the previous weekly open, and then from there it can come into this OB, like retest that, and then go from there. I feel like those are solid. Yeah. Ape. Yeah, it's like opening light positions, and whatever I'm in, I'm keeping, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna wait for next week open and see what they do there. Ape is looking pretty good. Held this daily fair value gap. Retapped this right there to almost close to it. Above the 200. Ape is looking nice. Still part, yeah. Farted up.
Art looks good. I was just looking at it right now.
Yeah,
looks super good on the hourly.
B Arkham. Arc. Oh my goodness. Arc, where do we go? We outlined this shit. This is our trade. Did I post this on Twitter? Let's cross-check ourselves here. An update if need be. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we said, remember the LRLR on prom? I have a feeling Arc can do the same. Straight through that shit. Straight through all of it. That's insane. I hate when Twitter fucking bugs out and it's like, what? What do you talk about? Arc. That is fucking insanity. Yeah, some of these rippers and grippers. It feels so much better having these outlines outlined and having the trades on there, showing people, hey, that's just insanity. I think it comes down to anything with that. Like, if you're being genuine, you're being true, it will reflect, will resonate with the right people.
Yeah, and like you always say, it's the timing.
Mm-hmm.
Just because you like do a, I don't know, use it for example, like a good deed doesn't mean like you'll get something back right away.
Yep.
Could be years from then.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't. Same with karma. It comes when it wants.
Yep. Exactly.
It's like can't do something shitty and then the next day you're like, oh, but nothing bad happened. I'm all good. No.
Yeah, it was actually like I talked about that when I was on that little thing. It's like people that pretend they're like, you know, righteous and then use that to justify their shitty actions. It's like, no, you're not you're not a genuine fucking human. You're not authentic. Like, get the fuck out of here.
Be kind shirts, but they're the biggest dicks.
Yeah. Fuck out of here. Oh, this one, Avai, is giving me the same vibes with this LRLR. You just need to get through this right there. Avai. Prom and archives. Yep. AVEX, AXL. Will Axel give us another ripper? That's the question of the fucking day. How many people are putting money on Axel?
That's what my dog sounds like.
Oh, wait, never mind. I am, yeah. It's like I didn't realize I was still in Axel position. Axel AXS. The baby's looking good too. I want to see a Rising 3 out of this one as well. I think it will give us. I posted a setup on this one as well inside our Discord. I would think that we see some sort of continuation like we have in those previous ones, especially with these Rising 3 candles. Got a feeling for this one. Oh baby, ah, baby ball. Banana got fucking cooked up. It's a banana split, baby. Para, big bio. You were saying BMT looked pretty good, right?
Yep.
Ooh, Boba. Boba's setting that up. This Rising 3.
Very nice sound.
Boba Boom, same thing. Boom setting up for Rising 3. Oh, maybe I can make a fucking just a thread here inside in the paper traders. Just make a thread of like animals.
Yep.
Power of 3s. Yeah, buff this previous day equal. I think this one's gonna be good too. No position. I'm gonna wait on some of these. Boom, Brett. Broccoli.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Ooh, HFT getting exactly what I said last night.
HFT.
If HFT sweeps this previous day low from here, I am longing the shit out of this. It tapped that 200 just like I said yesterday after you got stopped.
Yep. Yeah, HFT looks like it's been freaking. It wants it. Broccoli, BSV, BSW. Yeah, there you go. That guy said this and dipped. Okay, Cat, Cello keeps going. Seed is setting up for a rising 3 as well. Just want to see above that previous day equal. I think I'll be good.
Cetus looks good.
Cetus, yeah.
Yeah,
and
I will. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no. It looked like it was just breaking that trend line too, like from these candles right there.
Yep.
It already broke it.
I'm like scanning in front of you, but I like that one a lot.
Chill guy, you said.
I like
chill guy. Yep. That's that rising 3 as well. Chill guy, tap into here, tap into this right there. Retest some of these. This breakout of this fair value gap as well, actually. So this daily retest, inverse fair value gap. Yeah, chill guy looks fucking solid as well. I like that. Good shot, sir. Good shot on
I'm
that.
a chill guy.
You're just a pretty chill guy. Hayes is a pretty chill guy.
We try.
Yep. CHRU, GHC, Cloud. Am I in clouds? I think I got banger.
E. Oh, what did it say?
Comp is looking good too.
Yep.
This one's got your setup on it. Actually, no, it's not that clean. Disregard. But comp is looking good too. I like that one. Comp for a continuation. And just a ripper through all of this LRLR. If that's what you're looking at.
Look at the chart I just posted.
Hippo. Oh. Yeah. I like that.
When the Epstein list gets released, we'll do a free membership giveaway for lifetime.
Yeah. We'll do 10. CRV, that was okay. Continues. Outline, what else? CVC, still in this one. Had a nice little retrace into this range OTE, right? Tap this right there. 618 for continuation CIC retests. Now she's looking solid. There you go. I talked about this one. This one's looking for a retrace. Retrace tap of this previous day equal. Plus this right there. This can send a little bit at least, but at the same time it's also kind of looking a little Doge. Doge is fucking. Still looks like a 6 dogs. Yeah, a lot of Rising 3 setups are forming out across these crypto names. ENA. Didn't quite give us this little thing. But we did come into almost OTE of this 4 hour 705. ENA doesn't look bad from here. No sweep though. I don't like that. ENJ, ENS. ENS looking like it wants to continue ripping faces. See if there's ETH. There's Fartcoin. Yeah, retest of this. If we can get above these bodies right here on Fartcoin, if we can clear those liquidities right there, I think we can get a nice bumpy. So like if we get above the top of that on Fart.
Wait, look in the crypto channel really quick at that 1 hour. Just before you keep going. I know you'll get there eventually, but like look at this shit.
Oh yeah, that looks fucking phenomenal. The heck? Fetus, or no, that's fet. Yeah, fetus. Yeah, fetus. Look, fet USD. Fetus.
Hey.
And the Fart, this is what I liked on Fart. I think I outlined it somewhere. Maybe it was just for myself outlining it. But a tap of this. Almost into 618. A sweep of this blunt. Keep going, Fart. Fart it up. Fart it up.
Fucking fire on the hourly.
Phil looks good. Phyllis.
Yep.
This one's got that trend. There we go. Hasn't quite retested it, but the sweep of these lows, these fucking tops, like this shit looks so sus to me.
Yep. This song is a bop. I forgot about this shit. It's like in slow motion.
Yeah. It's like Under the Sea remix. Under the Sea.
Oh. You can bust a move to this shit.
Uh-huh. Flamingo, flock, flow.
Look what I just tagged you in before this fucking takes flight.
Oh, shit. Yeah, let me pull that up on America.
What is that?
Oh, yeah, this looks retarded.
Like, what? It's a banger, too.
I agree with this one. I like this one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like, send it. Yeah, look in the 4 hour too. I don't want the text box over here. Fun. Keeps on going. Flog, a little bit of a retrace, but holding that effigy. We're still looking for this continued animal on Flog. Would love to see a completion. Yeah, that looks nice.
Real sick of it. Testing my patience.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see. Fog, FXS, Gas, Gecko, GLM, Gods, similar setup, right? We got this range OTE 705. Love to see a continuation on this one. I feel like this one can get it with some volume in it. Grass, swept some of those liquidities. Griffin, yeah, a lot of what I'm seeing is just like it's those continuations to the upside through. Yeah, tap of the 200 and retest of the daily fair value gap, with the next candle being the rising 3. I feel like this one can fucking get boogieing.
I like GRT right under Griffin.
Yup. Affirmative.
Cool.
Yeah, above the 200, above the previous day equal. Yeah, these are looking good with the tap into the. Oh, look at that 50%, like a fucking butte. Yeah, these can fucking get it.
Then if you go down 3 to HFT, that one looks fire.
Yeah, HFT. Yep, I've tried.
Just needs one. I'm starting small position here, and if we get a previous day low with LTF confirmation of a reversal, I will go heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, it can even like tap into the 786, which I wouldn't be, surprised if that's what they want to do. But yeah, starting small as well. Got a little bit. If they really want to, they can come down and tap that. But it just looks primed. Yeah, especially that weekly. The Hive Hippo. Yep. Oh yeah, this one's setting up. Get through the CISD.
Weekly open.
Get through that CISD. We can really see a nice move on it. Wow, this is freaking. Yeah, Hippo's looking good. Hippopotamus. Hippo HNT. Fucking. What a beautiful fucking. That bottoming reversal. And these tops. Yeah, this one looks.
Yeah, that range trade. I love range.
Yep. Yeah, HFT looks like it wants something. I feel like we've outlined this one way before.
Yep, at the bottom.
Oh yeah, you
I have that one on Twitter. It's freebie.
Oh, HNT, I mean.
Yeah, HNT is the one I put on Twitter.
Oh my god. 729. I said it over here with the CISD. That's fucked. There's a heavy flow on that one.
Switch it up a little bit.
HBus Hyper, which is Hyper. ICP is still looking good.
Yep.
Don't stop. Get it.
The
way you shake it makes you want to hit it. IMX, INC, INJ. Iota did the fucking thing. That's insanity. Some of these names, just like looking back at what we posted in Discord, it's like, what the fuck? Jasmine, Beauty. Still in those Jasmines. We're waiting till the top. Jasmine Jelly. Actually, should I just move my stop? And Jasmine. Jupe, nice. Kaido. Kaido, Cass, you, Kava. What else we got? Level, Link. LRC. You've talked about this one.
Yeah, I got stopped last night, but it's okay.
Keep on holding on.
I posted on Twitter. I got stopped on like 5 names, like $30 a piece.
Yeah.
No biggie. I knew it was possible. I talked about it on stream last night. I said, don't fucking go crazy here.
Yep.
But it was worth a shot. I'll say it again. Yeah, like we're not in the, after that big of a move, you don't want to be max longing shit up here.
Yeah,
If you want a piece of it, just take small positions. They can still pay if you get a huge stick handle. It doesn't have to be anything fucking crazy. Shouldn't make you uncomfortable if you get stopped. You should just expect getting stopped.
Yeah, exactly.
And I haven't said this in a while too. Like, you can tell yourself you're okay with getting stopped $100, but like, what if you take 4 more losing trades after that? Will you be okay with getting stopped $500?
Yep.
If not, then you're risking way too much. Then you should probably be risking like $20.
That's amen.
Because then you get stopped out 5 times. It's only $100, which is what you originally were okay with, and it gives you 5 attempts. It's all relative to what you want to risk and where price is at, and the context of what it just did.
Oh, LTC with those fucking equal tops too, dude.
I know that thing will go eventually. We have to go see up the trees.
Note it. LTC. Yeah, this one's looking fucking solid. And for like continuation up on these with this daily, held the fair value gap, body close above it. I just take this tiniest little guy on it. Stop below previous daily.
I think I'm still in it.
CC what the fuck? Lumia, what the freak? Luna. Mana mask.
Wait, yeah, you went past house already.
Did I?
I think.
I don't think it was on this list.
Oh,
HI.
damn.
Yeah.
I don't think you're on the updated list that I have.
This is the Bluff and Perps number 2. Just sent me the.
Yeah, let me send this one quick. This one has everyone right now.
Hell yeah. Ask me.
321.
I don't need another fucking subscription, you fucks.
You sure?
Yeah.
You'll never get the offer again though.
Bluff and Perps.
Jasmine's still looking good.
Number 3. Save. Look at that. Okay, long script along, so I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, remove that. It's still gonna keep, yeah, it does keep all the names. Okay, cool.
Launch did it.
Huh,
Let's
launch.
go. Yeah.
House hook. Launch. Should look like. Take me up for launch. Right now we're having new hourly opens, so pullback is as expected. Phyllis, yeah. House, Mr. Hayes is saying house looks good. I like it. Above this previous day high, if we displace that, then we get a solid continuation on the 4 hour. Right, a break of this trend line, or on the hourly, whichever one. Right there. That's solid as fuck. Yeah, I like this one. House Humana, Hyper, ICX, INIT, IOST, IOTA, iOS, Jasmine, GTO, Jupe. Oh, damn. That's a fucking solid setup on lunch. Love that. It's a nice stutter. What else?
LDO doesn't look that bad.
Yeah.
Link still looks really good. Yeah.
LPT.
LIC still holding that fucking OB.
Yeah, holding that
LTC
OP,
looks so
holding
good.
the 200. LRC, LPT. Ask Mav, meme. Meme doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, that looks okay.
Meadow. Maker. Getting cucked.
Yep, they rotated out of that bitch.
Yeah.
MNT looking absolutely
Oh,
fucking fire.
freaking damn.
Look at it on the daily. That CISD I posted
Yep.
last night through the 200. Fucking glorious.
Did I exit my MNTs? No fucking way. Must be a fucking retard for doing that. Oh, wait. Nope. I did not.
Oh, he's sitting.
Posted this one way back fucking when.
Ooh.
MNT, baby.
Let's go.
Pretty much, yeah,
You-
MNT, where is she?
You said Miria already, right?
I haven't looked at this one, but I was looking at it yesterday.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
I posted MNT on Twitter again. MNT. Nothing on MNT, but we've talked about it on streams numerous times before, so it's nice to see it finally play out. Let's see this thing. Oh, holy shit, Matt is in the house. Holy fuck. What's up, Matt? That's insane.
Oh.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. You've I would say you've inspired me with your trading and your streaming. So we're grinding it out. Appreciate that. That's insane. What the fuck, dude? God damn. Oh my goodness. It's cute. Oh my god. I need to. That's crazy, dude. What the fuck? I'm gonna start blushing. That's wild.
Let's go.
Turn some lights in here. Yeah, this one looks good. M&T as well. Nice setup right there. Also, like pretty much the same. Like if we're taking this like lower time frame, broke out of that trend right there. This one's looking for a continuation. Yeah. If you guys have never heard about Matt, he's got his own platform. It's called Rocket Scooter, and this is like, we're not paid or anything. I've traded with his platform before, and it's amazing. Basically, it fed into my, what am I trying to fucking say here? It fed into the way that I trade now with liquidities, like how I talk about levels, right? Like if we displace through a certain level, then we see like continuation to the downside, and if we hold a certain level, then we're gonna see a continuation to the upside. And I will grant that I give credit where credit is due, and I learned that from Matt from Rocket Scooter. He's had this platform for a while now. I think I first heard about it in like 2021, 22 is when I started trading with this platform. That's how I initially began to like learn. But I believe this platform outlines like AI levels that are collected from the CME websites and everything, like important liquidity levels, and that outlines them on the futures markets or any other markets, and it shows you where high levels of liquidity reside, or where market makers have their orders, right? Institutional orders are outlined. And it kind of helps you trade with like, okay, well, if we see a certain level interact with price, we're going to see a reaction from that level. And taking trades off of those levels has been, insane. You can go watch Matt's streams. You can check out his page, Trader's Paradise. Go check out his live streams as well. In the morning, he always streams. It's, I'm always going to give credit where credit is due. And I credit a lot of what I've learned from there to how I trade today. And it's fucking crazy seeing seeing some of your icons pop into your stream. It's wild. Man, what the heck? Insanity. Still can't believe it. But yeah, check out Rocket Scooter, guys. It's a great. I believe he also has a $20 course, which is not like a $200 course or whatever. It's like 20 days. You pay $20, and it's a video a day that will teach you how to trade. And Matt has proven consistency throughout his trading. Not a fucking fool. One of the fucking truest people that trades and that knows their shit and proves it. He talks the talk and he walks the walk.
Really, just him and Rips, in my opinion.
Yeah,
that's about it for big names on X.
I would agree with that. I would wholeheartedly agree with that. Yeah, there's nobody else does it like those guys. Alright, let's skip it. Let's see what else we got. Morpheus freaking cranking, dude. Almost swept those freaking tops right there. It's like you see how these, like even how the bodies are respecting this level right there. Like keep on reacting to that. And it can be, yeah, like if we take these lows right here, or the bodies right there, and it's something that we keep talking about, right? We've covered this on a previous stream, where you want to watch your levels and those resistances becoming support and support becoming resistance. And this is one of those cases right here, where this used to be like we broke out of this level. You can zone it out, whatever you want to do, right? But this is, if we go back over here, it's almost that previous high right there, right? So we sweep this high, we come back, we retest it, right? First we break through it. So now we've displaced this level. Now we have that level right there acting as support, right? Price keeps on bouncing off of it. Keep on pressing fucking caps lock instead of shift. Price keeps on bouncing out of it. Keep going. Retest it again. bounce a little bit, break through it, and now we're kind of rejecting it. So we want to see a break through this 17441 again if we want to see some continuation to the upside on this morpho.
Yep, I'm still in it.
Yeah, same keys. Morpho, yeah, Maria. We've talked about this one before. It tapped into that OTE. We'll get to it. Just like looking at my position real fast. All right, mover, MLT, move. Yeah, Maria. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to outline. This to tap into the OTE, right? Retest of this inverse fair value gap right here on that left side. And now possibly looking for a continuation up. I'm not liking the fact that we are below that 200. That's probably the only thing. But other than that, this one doesn't look too bad.
The hourly I like in OTE. Just got like that rounding bottom.
Yeah, it just needs to break this through the CISD and give a step bump to the upside. Give us that continuation through it.
I like near a lot still.
Near. Yep. Yeah, near's looking good. We pounded the table on near so many times that it's crazy where it is at now.
And then 2 down from there, it's NEIRO USDT Nero. Not that one, one more.
Okay.
That one.
Yep.
I like it on the daily OB retest, trend line retest, and then 2 daily imbalances below,
right?
Or FEGs.
And if we want to keep these patterns going, right, you can see how we've had a similar thing right here, right? It looks like a topping candle. I mean, granted, we haven't swept liquidity over here, and over here we swept it and didn't displace above it. But this one looks like if they want to keep it bullish and if they want to keep on going, it's like we must hold these daily fair value gaps on some of these names. Like this one hasn't tapped it. 705 wouldn't be bad on it for a continuation up. Like a tap like that and then go from here. I think that would be pretty solid. Senior, yeah, NKN sounds okay. No to NXPO. Actually, Ondo. I think we've talked about Ondo last stream. Ondo doesn't look bad. It's basically from here. We need to see displacement above these liquidities that we've swept. So like above this one and probably above previous day equal on these as well. Like continued hold of the bullish imbalances that will give us confirmation that we can possibly break through this and displace it. And then from there, it will give us a continuation. OP, break of this trend line. Orca. A little wick to the top. Not a huge fan of that. Already. Bangu just keeps on going, dude, non-stop. Unstoppable Rebel Force. Which one?
That Pengu. It's just like so much strength behind it.
Yep.
Ooh, I like sushi still.
Pengu.
Yeah, a lot of these just need to clean this daily up.
Mm-hmm. Polu. Popcat.
Cat.
Bobcat. Bobcat.
I like Popcat.
Yeah, this one's solid. Always love this one. This one's solid. And animal. Actually, pretty much animal completion right there. Look at that. D point.
See?
Funny. Funny. Popcat. There we go. Yeah, that's a solid one. Pop that kitty.
Chill.
What? Outline this inside our little Discord. Popcat. That was a solid continuation on this one. Popcat. Priscilla Prime. Prompt. Not prompt. Think quantum. Liquidity rare. Redo. Render. Yeah, a lot of these almost looks like they need to hold above those previous day equals in order for us to continue up. I think that will be the biggest thing. Let's see. Market is just. Are these new 4 hours? Yeah. That's what I thought. New 4 hours. So obviously you can see a little retrace if we're looking for open, low, high, closed on our 4 hours. Rune doesn't look bad either for a continuation. Just kind of broke out of this little thing. Actually, no, it's still a little channel. Broke out of it, kind of retesting it. So I want to see a continuation. VN Saga, Sand. So yeah, we would want to see a 4 hour open, low, high, closed, or hourlies open, low, high, closed. So we're seeing on these little pullbacks right now. SEI. So we got some room to the upside on these ones as well. Just a matter of waiting for this OTE probably. Again. Shell, Sheeb, SKL, Synex, Solana, continue grind up, Soph, SPX, Swift liquidity. Yeah, the lack of displacement above these liquidities is really just like, but super
Weekend shit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Sushi. Yeah, retest of this trend line right there too. That looks good. Beta. TRB, TRX. Yeah, I feel like on a lot of these, just probably better to wait for next week to open up. Then that will give us a solid, just kind of like see how this week closes and see what we want to do into next week, which is like next week. Let's see, not that news affect crypto that much. 12-14. I mean, core CPI, core PPI, retail sales, FOMC, Waller speaks. So a little bit some stuff into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is a little bit easy. Monday, nothing. So that will probably be those news drives days. So Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's look for those. As you can see, seeing little pops. We don't want to see a previous day high sweep and then a continuation below. So we want to make sure that all of these on these dailies stay above that opening price, and that should give us a nice continuation. If not, then obviously not, right? We can't control the price, but what we can control is we can control our entries. So with that, make sure you guys are just watch your OTEs, watch this, watch that. It's like Bonk right now. Bonk has swept. No, it hasn't even swept previous day high, but it is. Yeah, I feel like this is like a wait out. If you're looking to enter, you can enter now, but be aware of where we are at in terms of the weekly, in terms of the daily time frame.
The only thing I really love is like
HFT.
fart hourly looks good.
Yeah, HFT swept the previous day low. Yeah, fart even 4 hour hourly. It's not bad. Continue to hold. Just want to see some nice continuations out of these. And we don't want to have a open high low close daily candle. That's my 2 cents on that. Wood was yeah, I feel like it's almost like not even XLM. What the fuck?
My thumb's gone.
Was I ever in this XLM? Nope, nothing at the bottom. And it's picking up volume too. Yeah, XLM's looking solid.
Yeah. Just waiting on HFT low time frame confirmation.
XRP too. Ripper. Okay, and that's the list. That's all she wrote. So I mean, yeah, like we said, let's watch for those next weeklies to open up and see how we play it out and see what they want to do going into this overnight session. Obviously, tomorrow's the last day of the week, or technically today opens up the last day of the week. So the fact that we've put in a lot of highs on these weekly candles does give us the perception that, yeah, open low, high closed weekly candles makes sense. Some of these do look like they want to almost take that previous weekly bottom like FET. This one's looking disgusting a little bit to the downside, or with the downside potential that it could have. Right, obviously there's upside too, but the way that, yeah, actually, yeah, this body held, this is closed. So I guess if we're continued bullish, then we play the bullish ranges, bullish OTEs, and what we see on those bullish setups. And if you're bearish, obviously it's all context, right? What do you see in price? What do you see? Where do you want price to go? Or no, that's wrong. Not where do you want price to go, but where does price want to go? What does the higher time frame tell you? And how's it reacting to your levels and the setups that you have?
What day of the week are we going into? Because like, even like we always say, even if you are bullish, this next weekly candle has to open and put in a lower wick. So try to be in that lower wick if you are bullish.
Exactly.
Be the wick.
Exactly. Yep. Yeah.
Buy the high time frame wick.
It's you should usually be buying the sell candle.
Yep. Some of my best trades are like the worst looking candle.
That was that Sunday when we were Saturday when we were driving into Wisconsin.
Yep.
Like, some of those are crazy. All right. Well, we probably do it for today, for tonight.
I think so.
Thank you guys so much for watching, for tuning in. Everybody, thank you for checking us out. As always, we appreciate it. All the love and all the support that we've received over the past few months has been insane. And we appreciate you guys for showing up and being here. Make sure you give it a like, give it a retweet if you do enjoy seeing these. We're going to keep bringing value no matter what. It doesn't matter if you retweet or not. We're gonna be here. Gonna be here. And if it resonates with you, then follow that feeling. As always, make sure you check out at the Paper Traders. That's the best way to stay updated with us on Twitter in terms of what's happening inside the community, what's going on when we're streaming, any updates, any cool things that we're doing inside of here. Make sure you guys go check out the website as well for the Paper Traders. That's www.papertraders.io. It's also in the corner of that live stream. I'm sure it's also in my description, Shane's description. It's also at the Paper Traders description. Make sure you check that out. There's a few things on that website. There's a few tools that we use. There's Trader Log, there's ICT Trainer, Candle Creator, and Risk Calculator. Just helps you stay with the market, helps you keep that edge in the market. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a nice little red button that says View Past Streams. You click that, shows you all of the past streams that we've done. Check our track record. See if you actually want to follow us, right? Maybe we're just shit traders and we're lying, but obviously the track record speaks for itself. So make sure you guys check it out. Don't hesitate, right? What else we got on that? On the website, you can also check out. Is it still on there, or is it? No.
I think I need to re-add the Blowfin link.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but to trade these per pairs, we are using Blowfin, so make sure you guys check them out. Give them a shout out. #FreeNate. You can either use code Hayes or code Eddie in order to get a nice little sign-on bonus. That's what we've been using for a while. Hayes has been with them for a hot minute now, so he's gone through everything, through all the updates that they've had. it's kind of it's nice to see how they have evolved even from the past 6 months or 7 months that I've been with them. It's I love it. So make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you guys also check out at Hayes Beats. He's a phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. Nothing bad to say about this man. He's taught me a lot. I've learned from him a lot. Appreciate his dedication to this craft. And all the charts that he's posting are very clean, very understandable, very easy to read price action. He posts his entries, posts his exits. So make sure you guys check him out. Give him a good round of applause. We get him to 3K. We're going to give away a lifetime membership to the paper traders. If we get me to 1,000 followers, we're going to do the same thing. You just have to make sure for me you hit that retweet button on the page that I have on there. On my page. That first tweet on my page that's pinned. We should give that a retweet. Other than that, that will do it. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Fucking insane. Good turnout. Thank you guys. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.